Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make this clay pattern. These are the supplies. You'll need several colors of scrap clay. You can use as many or as few as you would like, just as long as there's some variance in colors. The concept's pretty simple and straightforward. You just stack your clay in alternating colors. This video will be a very quick and simple tutorial. Tomorrow I kick off my 31 days Halloween Spooktacular. I will be releasing one video every day until Halloween, so I just wanted to keep this one simple and easy. If you'd like to be notified when I do release those videos, just hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Once you have your clay stacked, begin forming it into a square shape. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I will show you some of the earrings I've made with this project. Don't push down or flatten too hard, just enough to remove all the air bubbles and join the clay together. Be sure to roll in all directions. Once you have it into your square shape, cut it in half and then fold it over. Honestly, if you like it at this point and don't want to do anything further, you can, if you like the pattern. If not, you can keep going and see what you end up with. Push the clay back together and form it into a square or rectangular shape. Cut it in half again and fold it over, and repeat. Again, cut it in half and fold it over. Okay, I kind of like the way this looks. The lines and bubble texture. I'm going to cut my clay into 3 sections and then place them together. From here I'll cut out shapes and make my earrings. And these are the earrings I've come up with. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!